Hey guys, welcome back to the challenge and this crazy channel. Well, we are on to our first week of December, and of course there is some good news for us. And so to speak, natural gas has continued downselling and also crude oil has continued its downselling trend. I hope everyone watching this channel has managed to take advantage of those. But without further ado, let me go to the chart and show you what I'm talking about. Now, we're straight into a crude oil on the minute chart. I'll just pop open here the live trading session. So then if you guys have any questions, I'm here to answer them for you. Let me do that right now. Fantastic. Now, looking at crude oil right away. Excellent. I can hear myself as well. Fantastic. Now, looking at crude oil, the first thing you want to see, obviously, we have just broke above the MA and we found a resistance at about 74.6, somewhere there. We continue downtrending and let's see if we're gonna bounce off the MA or break below and test potentially that support at 72.6. Now, when it comes to the daily chart, let me open that and then I will also explain you what I'm looking for. Now, as you can see, we have just tested that support today and we bounce off it, but we continue our downtrend below the MA. So like you guys already know me, if I am to open any position, that's going to be a short sell because we're currently selling below the we're currently trading below the MA, and that is purely the major trend, or that is a sell off. Whether or not we'll break below the support right here and continue downtrending, we don't know yet. We're yet to find those things out as the day progresses forward. But yes, we're currently downtrending on a crude oil, and be mindful if you open up a long position because you're gonna be against the major trend, and that's what you want to avoid, really, going against the major trend. Now here we have a little short squeeze by the looks of things, but hey ho, just make sure you are aligning yourself with the major trend. Now probably everyone is looking into natural gas today because we have 4%, 5% down now. Let's see what is going on there. We're testing that MA as a support, but let's see most importantly the daily, because that is going to be the major trend for everyone watching the stream today. And as you can see, we are currently trading below the MA. So that is another indication for myself personally, and probably for you too, to go and short sell natural gas. Leave alone it's 5% down on the day, but you want to also make sure to align yourself with that major direction, and that is a short selling as it stands at the moment. Continue, we break that support right here. Obviously we gap up a bit, and then we continue down selling from there. Let me know if you guys have any open trades now on and what they are. The crude oil, natural gas, long or a short position. I'm looking at the comments as we speak. Now that only tells me with natural gas that I'll be short selling again, because the major trend is in my favor, and that's what you want, really. You want to align yourself with that major trend going forward. Now we're potentially looking to test the 100 MA right here, see if we can bounce off it, continue little uptrend right here, or break below that, and it's going to be a huge sell-off like we did earlier here. Now for today, I'm already 2% up, purely selling a crude oil right here. I've just sold it, and that gave me a 2% profit for the day. Obviously we are on the challenge for £21,273,898, and we're focusing on generating 4% profit each and every day. Half of that is done so far. Now I need to go about and do the other half, and let's see if we can do that potentially. I'm short selling a bit of natural gas, probably below the MA, or I'm happy to see this little short squeeze right here, because we then have an opportunity to enter below the MA. But yeah, let me know guys, any trades, have you managed to make some profit from this Monday? It's been a quite volatile Monday. I've read some news, obviously Bitcoin is up as well, but then the commodities suffer as it stands at the moment. Let me know in the comments. I'm here and I'm intrigued to know as well. Now let's see, natural gas. Yeah, we're kind of finding some support right here. Are you guys agreeing with me? Or who knows what will happen at the end of the day? So let's just watch a little bit and see. No major reports. It's Monday, so just be careful when you go and trade. It's only the beginning of the week, and you don't really want a hefty loss in the beginning. So just make sure you line yourself with those major trends as it stands at the moment. Okay, let's see. Crude oil. Finding some support at around number $74 per barrel. Like I always advocate, good support and resistance are those round numbers. So make sure again, follow on that advice. Now, another thing I want to talk about, and I only find out that on Friday though, and that is very interesting thing. Now, follow my train of thought, and then let me show you how that works. Now, let me see, why is that not closing? Okay, let me just do that. Okay, just wanna, I see something here. So I'll just get you onto myself, then I'll close plus 500 and open it again because I didn't see. I have to log in once again. Security these days. Okay, let me get the code. 991. Fantastic. Right. Now let me just show you something. You can see 23. Okay, right, that's the one. Okay, and then that's the one. Right, I do have a little trouble at the moment. It's purely because when I log out and log in plus 500, I do have to set all my indicators. But let me do that with you, so at least you know what I'm talking about as well. Right, now the first one is going to be obviously a volume underlying. Let me change that to candle. Okay, now since we got, did we get rid of it? Volume underlying. I cannot see that. That is very bizarre. I cannot see the volume though. Very interesting. Okay, well, let's try again. No, it doesn't really happen at the moment. Anyway, doesn't matter. I don't have to really work with the volume too much. So let's get the RSI and then let's get the moving average, and that's gonna be set to 100 as well. Yeah, I don't understand why I don't have the volume underlined. Very bizarre. Anyway, and then I don't have the hours here. All right, excellent. Right, so that's all I needed. I needed the times behind it so I can then explain you. Let's go to my watch list. I'll set the RSI. First of all, I'm looking for 70 to 30, overbought and oversold. That is simply indicating me when it's overbought and when it's oversold. I'm just gonna bring them a bit more close. So then I have better indication when I need it to. And as you can see here, it's the overbought and hence why you're probably selling off. Right, now let me just adjust that one onto the 100 MA. And there we go, you have it. My set. Right. Let's just see. Okay. We're testing the MA at the moment as it stands. Right, now, follow my thought, because that is something I discovered Friday, and it's something definitely to take note of as well. Right, what I want to talk about is first is the hours, right? So what I've noticed is basically there is quite a lot of changing direction when it comes to let's say 12, 1, 2, 3 or 4 o'clock round hours. And then let me show you on the chart, and then you can follow that thought pattern, and then you can take advantage of what I have also discovered. Right, now if you see here, we've got a 9 o'clock, we've got 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock has brought a lot of a sell-off onto the market. and we tested again the MA right here at 10 o'clock. So change of direction, obviously not every time. 11 o'clock, another change of direction, breaking below the MA, a good candle right here. As you can see, the volume as well, it's quite big. And then you're going to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, we did have another little sell-off right here, testing the MA. And then moving on, 1 o'clock, we had again another sell-off. And then 2 o'clock, we did have a change of direction a bit here. And then 3 o'clock, we sold off, and then we changed direction again. Right now, that's what I wanted to talk about. It's those round numbers, and no, I mean round hours, because they're a little bit more, how to say, more adventurous. No, I wouldn't say adventurous. No, I would say you can better take advantage of the market on the round hours and around those round hours, because again, it's a good indication of changing direction or anything else. And it's purely because on the hourly candles, one it's closing, another one it's opening, brings more volume into the market, and hence why you do have some change of directions in, let's say, 1, 2, 3 or 4 o'clock, 5, 6, doesn't matter, as long as it's a round hour, then it works magic. Right, now looking back at natural gas, we're looking at that support level, currently sitting at 100 MA. Let's see if we can bounce off that, continue up trending a little bit, and then hopefully we'll continue the major trend, which is the sell-off trend. And then so also for a crude oil, as you can see, we have managed to get back to where we should be on crude oil. So let's see. Now for today, like I said, I'm 69 pound up on my position of 3,000 pound at the moment, because it's the challenge, and then I have taken everything else out, and at the moment I'm sitting about 3,100 pound. Not bad for a now what it's for a few days of trading basically, and that's why we're sitting at the moment with our challenge. We are head on, keep on going on that one. I didn't need to make another 2% today, so I'll be focusing on that throughout the day. Let's see if we can break below the MA right here after the sell-off, and then potentially looking to open up a trade somewhere around here, selling off, testing that support. Now if we do end up breaking this support right here, it's going to be quite a lot of volume as it looks at the moment, because that is the low of the day, and then that will even further consolidate the major trend right here below the MA as it is. Now with natural gas, we continue down selling, probably testing some support throughout, and then the major one we'll be looking at, it's the round number of $2 for a contract, so make sure you pay attention to that when it comes down to, but there is quite a lot to go until we test that particular support at the moment. Now I'm eager to open up a trade, but it doesn't really work like that if I don't have my edge present. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I want to thank so much everyone for joining me today. There were quite a lot of people, which is fantastic. We do get more popular these days, hey ho, but I'm trading each and every day, so remember, you should check out on me and this immaculate, no, it's not immaculate, no, this incredible challenge of 21,273,898 pounds in the next 12 months. The starting point, it's only 2,400 pounds. We are well above that now, with about 700 pounds, and continue each and every day on that goal. Make sure you check with me each day, same place, same time, and of course same tickers, natural gas and crude oil only. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a fantastic trading day.